Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and navigating to Network and Internet. This gets you to Wi-Fi controls quickly. Once there, choose Manage Known Networks so you can view saved SSIDs and their profiles. You should select the exact network name because removing the wrong one wastes time. Click Forget to delete stored credentials and stop automatic reconnection. This first action clears the local profile, so Windows won't rejoin automatically, and prepares you to remove any remaining system-level entries. You now use the command line for thorough cleanup. It finds profiles that settings might miss. First, open an elevated command prompt or PowerShell so you have permission to modify system profiles. Then run netwlan show profiles to list every saved SSID and note the exact profile name. This prevents typos. Next, run netwlan delete profile name equals profile name for each target profile. This removes stored keys and settings from the wireless subsystem, so even background services stop You finish by verifying removal and addressing stubborn cases. First, confirm in settings that the SSID is gone and run netwlan show profiles again to ensure no profiles remain. If the network reappears, restart your PC or restart the WLAN auto config service to clear caches. If it still persists, open Credential Manager and remove any related Windows credentials. These can silently reauthorize a connection. One troubleshooting tip: if a domain policy forces profiles, contact your administrator because local removal won't override group policy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.